Hi again, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're at Holyrood Park to climb up to Arthur's Seat. Hi there, now we're going to Arthur's Seat. It's right up there. We'll be going up those stairs, and up over there. Arthur's Seat is an extinct volcano which erupted around 340 million years ago. At that time, Scotland was a very different place, located close to the equator. Okay, so the way to Arthur's Seat is very steep, so you need to be well prepared, and we need to take a break in between, and you have to go very slow so that you don't lose energy to go all the way up there. It's a very high way, so meet you there. There are many walking tracks across Arthur's Seat to explore and enjoy its scenic views. You can choose your path depending on your interest and fitness. We are climbing for the first time, so we chose the most common path. Many people use these trails for walking, jogging, and cycling. Very good. I got a few over here. I saved them for later. Climbing to the top of Arthur's Seat and back takes about 2 hours. Okay, we chose this way to go up because it's going to be a bit harder and it's going to be exciting. So yeah, we're going to go up this way and go to Arthur's Seat. Up this hill, we have to keep our knees bent so that we can get the right balance. Not that big. nearly there. Arthur Seat. Arthur Seat is right like that little triangle over there. Is over there. But we're over here. So we're gonna walk all the way there and I'll see you soon. We just have to cover that bit and we're up to Arthur Seat. So let's go. Let's get going. We found a good place to sit up there to have a wee snack. That gave us some energy for the rest of our journey. Enjoying the view from here, and then after some time we'll go up those rocky cliffs and go up to Arthur Seat. Arthur Seat is the highest point of this extinct volcano, rises above Edinburgh and is special for its panoramic views over the city. We're here at Arthur Seat. It's very windy and sitting on Arthur Seat. Let's take a 360-degree view. We sat at the edge of the cliff and amazed to see the beauty of the skyline. It's said that the Arthur Seat named after legendary King Arthur. Edinburgh has 7 such hills. Apart from Arthur Seat, other 6 hills are Castle Rock, where the Edinburgh Castle is, Calton Hill, one of the landmarks of Edinburgh, Corstorphine Hill, where the zoo is, Craiglockhart Hill, Braid Hill, and Blackford Hill. Hope you already watched our videos on Calton Hill and Edinburgh Zoo, but if you are not, we recommend you to watch them. Links are in the description down below. This is why the best time to visit Arthur Seat is around dawn. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for future uploads. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.